Indonesia is bracing for the worst as coronavirus cases soar. Backup medical facilities have been prepared as officials source for emergency oxygen. And for a closer look into this, we're joined by Sudirman Said, Secretary General of the Indonesian Red Cross from Jakarta. How exactly how dire is the situation on the ground?
Yes, good evening. Thank you very much. I think what we are now seeing is everybody working hard, hand in hand, to tackle the situation. And I have to say that nobody have experience doing this. So I think what I see is government, institution, Red Cross movement, society, military, police, and everybody, including corporation, working really hard to support the community.
Mr. Sudirman, we know that there's a hospital bed shortage, there's an oxygen shortage. What's being done to ensure that there is sufficient supply of these two extremely important commodities?
What we know is the government is working really hard, and I think this is also about the people in the healthcare, because everybody is really exhausted, and many temporary hospital or emergency hospital is being set up, but as the cases is increasing very dramatically, so we have a challenge not to cover all the need that we are now experiencing in the front of us.
There are fears that the situation may spiral into what we saw in India just a few months ago. In your opinion, is that scenario likely to play out?
I would expect that not that bad, because we have different situation compared to India, and I think because India is in a big one island, while Indonesia is a kind of archipelago. So I think as long as we can tackle Java and Bali, then we are considering it's a better situation compared to India. That's my opinion.
Mr. Sudirman, let's talk about Indonesia's vaccination rate. It's still low, just at 1.6% of the population so far. They're fully inoculated. What's behind this slow rollout?
Of course, there are issues on the logistics, there are issues on the human resources, there are issues on the situation on the ground. But what I can witness is I have to say that everybody working really hard, and stadium, sports stadium, even now we are opening up the Red Cross offices to do the vaccination, and hopefully within the next couple of weeks this number will going up, because as many vaccination facilities is set up to support the to speed up the vaccination.
Okay, thank you for your thoughts this evening. Sudirman Said, Secretary General of the Indonesian Red Cross.